Hello everybody, Lewis here, back at the Rshackbbq company. Today we're going to be using our Traeger pellet smoker, and we're going to be doing a pineapple stand whole chicken, which will be using a Tango Spice company Twist and Shout spice blend rub on the outside of the chicken. He's a fellow YouTuber. I'll have a link to his channel and more info here in a minute. So let's get into today's cook.
Regulators. We regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
Regulators! Mount up!
Okay, for our pineapple stand whole chicken, we're going to be coating the outside with Tango Spice. I entered a contest and won some. I'm going to test it out. What we're going to be using is Twist and Shout spice rub on the chicken this evening. Along with it, it came with some pretty cool stickers. I can't wait to get these put on my grills once the weather warms up a little bit. On here, it's www.tangospice.com. Need to check him out. TangoSpice.com. I'll include a iCard up there to his YouTube channel and also a link down into the description box. We'll see what this spice comes out. Another quick shout out to Weber Kettle Club. You can find them on the interweb at www.weberkettleclub or WKC. Also, you can find them on YouTube. Troy, also have an iCard to him and a link down in there too. You can go check him out. He does some pretty cool cooks on his Webers. Well worth a look. Now tonight, we're actually going to be doing the chicken on the Traeger. There's also a link down in the description box for Traeger grills. Be sure to check them out too. So here are the supporting characters in our little story here. We have the bird, we have the pineapple for the stand, and of course we have to cut the pineapple to make our stand. So what you want to do is cut off each end, trying to square it off as best as you can. I kind of lined it up against the bird to know how tall I wanted it as before I started cutting. Then you find the center core and you're just basically going to cut around that center core, turn it and then cut 90 degrees, turn it 90 degrees, cut it, and you're going and leaving about an inch on the bottom. Don't cut all the way through. So then you have these wedges that you see that I'm popping off here. So you have your base and then you have your stand and then you have the wedges that you're cutting off. Don't throw those away because you can barbecue up those nice pineapple wedges and they taste really good. So now we want to season the bird with the Tango Twist and Shout rub spice. What I'm doing here is I'm just spraying the bird down with vegetable oil from a can. You can wipe it down. Butter would work, anything, olive oil. So do that. Now you want to just sprinkle the rub spice all over the bird so that you have a nice coating of it. Okay, once we get the rub all over the bird, we're going to put it on our stand. You'll notice that I have the stand sitting in a little pie pan that I picked up. That just makes it easier to carry it in and out as you move it around from the kitchen to the grill. So we started out in the smoke setting for a half hour on the Traeger, then we kicked it up to the high setting, which is like 420, and we're going to let it go for hour, 2 hours, hour and a half, until we get to 175. So now that we kicked it up to the high setting, we're going to add the pineapple chunks. And we're going to put them on here for an hour, then we're going to flip them over and let them go for like another half hour or till the chicken is done. Here we brought the chicken in after it reached 175. Look at that bark. She came out beautiful. Look at all the juice down in the pan. This is going to be good. Light her off the old stand here. Not burning our hands up. So there you can see the stand. Do not eat this. This is not good right here. That's the core. You don't want that. So, put this out of the way. Nice crust on this bird. And let's see what we can do here. Every time I do this, I think of that movie Christmas Vacation with Chevy Chase, and he goes to cut the turkey and the thing just falls apart. I just always hope that never happens to me. Here, cut us off a little bit. Just the leg removed here. As you can see, she's looking beautiful. Breast meat. Look at the breast. Looks beautiful. Nice little color to it. Let's just try a small little bite of it here. Very moist. You just see the juices running off of it. So we found the Tango Twist and Shout to be very flavorful. Complemented this Hawaiian style chicken amazing. It was even good. We sprinkled a little bit on the veggies and it was great on them too. I would highly recommend you try this.